Hey, what's up everyone? Just want to give you guys a quick tournament breakdown of the Horseshoe chain of lakes. This was an early October tournament, and with the cooler weather we didn't quite know what to expect because we did not get out pre-fishing, so we decided to chase some memories and fish spots we have had luck in the past. We started over on this corner and started working up this shoreline, and then we had picked one up really early, flipping Tokyo rig into some of the down trees. As we worked around the corner, we were able to pick up another one just under 5 pounds. That was when we decided that might be the way to go for the day. So we bounced around the whole lake after that, just looking for deadfalls, which they are all over the place on this lake. We had thrown in a couple other techniques, caught some on buzzbait, caught some on crankbaits, but the bite was a little slow for most of the day. We ended up with just under 16 pounds. It was a good day on the water, but just couldn't find another big bite that we needed. Otherwise, hope you guys enjoy the video.
Oh, that'll do, pig. Good first fish, son.
210.5.
34 goes back to pass 3 drop. Rose to the right side with his left hand, and Jalen Redmond with a pass defense. Jalen Redmond had a couple of sacks in this day last week. He deflected it with 20 seconds to go.
Yes,
First quarter game time.
Fuck yeah, dude. Yes. That's a fucking 4.5. Woo! Did you get that thing to the camera?
I did. Yep. 410.5.
Get ahead, going into halftime, and they get the ball in the second half. First and 10, hand off to Mason. The tackles they had to be 13 for gain of 2. And we run down the Bentley. What's it like, Joe?
Well, you know, I know a lot of people are curious about how this all is going to pan out. It's always comes out.
That's hilarious.
You had one on?
Yeah.
That is mad early this game.
That's the thing is you're getting one-on-one coverages.
215.5.
They tied at 7. Lefty looking to his left, throwing to his left, and it's called by rookie Isaiah Bond. Attacked immediately by Jeff Okuda. That's close to the first down. I don't believe he got it. They did. He did. Missed it by maybe a foot and a half. So now it's going to be 4th and very. Max Brosmer was warming up with his helmet on, like potentially he was going to play. So it definitely bears following whatever his idea was. Carson Wentz now, and boom, there is the Schmidt kick to the 3-yard line, and here comes Miles Price. Cleveland leads 10-7, Price to the 15 to the 20, tries to make a round miss behind Wentz. He tries a middle.
Wrong time of the year.
Mason. Reichert 9 of 9 on extra points. Andrew Paula sends it back to Ryan Wright, and Will Reichert's right-footed kick is good. And the Minnesota Vikings go big play, 71 yards. It took 3 minutes 49 seconds, capped by a Jordan Mason rushing touchdown. And on the Sleep Number scoreboard, Minnesota leads 14-10 from Tottenham Hotspur on the KFAN Minnesota Vikings Audio Network, driven by Polaris.
I almost said it's fighting like a walleye right now.
For those contractors, you will recognize TimberTech works with
Yeah,
the best. So it's wide. So that's going to be a 78-yard punt, a career long for
A 78-yard punt. the net was hooked on the fucking pliers too. I was like, dude, I'm about to just break everything.
What a shit show catch that was right there.
Okay.
We just go crazy.
That actually looked okay.